Good morning or afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. How are you? Oh, it's morning for me. Anyway, I got a nice coffee, almost finished. I just wanted to share it with you. I made some little scrapbooks. Yes, check this out. Little scrapbooks. Would you like to see how I made it? Really simple. This one's double-sided paper, little pocket here, tabs, great little scrapbooks. Especially if you're going on a little travel, you can take it with you. It's quite small. I used 6x6 papers. We all have 6x6 papers. This one I made for a special young lady. She just finished high school. She's coming over today, so I made this for her as her graduation first year of high school. Little pocket in front. Little pocket here. This one is single-sided, so there's plenty of writing as well. You could do that. Little tabs, different shaped tabs. And this one's pretty. There we go. Just out of the paper pad. I'll just quickly flick through. Absolutely fun. Easy to make. Another little pocket. Put that in there. There's another pocket. There we go. This one. The different styles. I use the open rings. I got these hinged rings from Officeworks in Australia. These are the smaller ones, 25 mils, and they're coloured ones. How many pages? I think I got about 12. Anyway, let's count. 1, and a little pocket. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Oh well, about 13. You can still fit a couple more if you like, and the pocket in the back as well. Okay, I think that's, I don't know which is my favourite. I like them all. So you can use the double-sided paper. With the double-sided, I put little spots where you can write as well. And some of the card you can write on because it's light enough. And that's the back. Simple way. Okay. Get your 6x6 paper. I'm going to do old school if you don't have any of the equipment. This ruler has inches and centimetres. Turn it over. Here we go. It's little measurements. 6x6, and we're going to cut off 1.5 inch. Okay, we'll just mark it. 1.5. 1.5. Our husband's outside checking the pool. We did a big clean up on the pool. Still got a bit more. Just line it up. There you go. You're going to cut that off. Snippy snip, snip. Hope you're all been well. This time of year, the December is crazy. Everybody's out at the shops, on the roads. So please be careful. Okay, there's your 1.5 inch. You're going to fold this 1.5 inch. Why? This will become part of the spine, because we need the spine to be sturdy, because you're going to flop through this quite a bit. So we need a sturdy spine. Now, it doesn't matter if you have single-sided paper, that's okay. So we're going to glue it back. So it's going to be the spine. Oh, we can glue it here. Might match. It doesn't matter if it doesn't match, because this one didn't quite match these ones. that did not matter to me. It's all about the fun. And you're going to glue this 1.5 inch that you folded in half. Glue it on. Goosey glue. Goosey glue. Sometimes I want a little bit extra glue to come out, and these are a bit too small. Maybe I can find a medium one to put my glue in. Oops, daisy. Here we go. Goosey glue. There we go. There we go. There's a page for your mini scrapbook. You can do the corners. If you don't have a corner punch, just take a little bit off and do the corner like that. There we go. Just do a little round piece off. That's fine. So there's a page. Pocket, the front page. Now you're going to do 2 of these because you have a front and a back. So you need, just move that one. You need 2 pages for the front and the back. So we're just going to make 1. What shall we use? Oh, they're all so pretty. How about this one? I'll end up making another pink one. I'm trying to shift away from the pink. Oh, come out. Pink. Okay. So it says 1 3/8. Why are we doing that? I'll show you. Can you see? It just goes over a little bit. See that? So the covers are going over just that slight bit. Okay. So you want to fold it at 1 3/8 roughly. Don't know if you don't have 1 3/8 on your ruler, which mine doesn't. You just go. There's the 1.5, and I'm just going to go back 1, 2 roughly little lines. One and a half, 1, 2. Oh, 1, 2. Just make a line. Okay. Do the same this side. Just need 1 old school. Just a mini. Pause you. Okay. Sorry about that. So you've got that. And you're going to fold this over. So just go under that line a little bit because you need to make your fold. This is all if you don't have the tools. Fold it over. Crease it. Squishy, squishy. Use your ruler. You can squish it. Here's the other one I did, just off camera to hurry things up. So you have 2 of these. Oops. Okay, you have 2 of these. I'll just leave that there. Flip in one over. Okay. Use that as your front, or you can use it as your back. So you need to make 4, so you've got to fold 4 of these. Okay, so what we're going to do, this one's going to be the front, so I'll hide that in there, have a nice clear frontage. Now this one was clear, and this one, whoops, a pocket on this side. This one had a pocket on the inside. This one, I'll just example on the back, is the pocket, but if you don't have a tool to cut that out, that's fine. It's still good. So that's what we're going to do. Going to glue. Easy glue. Don't get too stingy, but don't get over the top because you don't want it all soggy. There we go, goosey, goosey, glue. Pointy, goosey glue. There we go. That one's done. Other one, because that's going there, you're going to make your pocket, okay? So you're going to goosey glue this. Like this. Don't fold it down. Then glue each side. A bit of glue on each side. Bit of glue on each side. And you're going to put it in here like this. Line it up. Oops. Best as you can. I haven't had enough coffee. And then you're going to stick it down. Oh, this is sticking pretty quick. Whoops. Of course, I'm on camera. Then you're going to stick it down. That's on that side. Did you see? There's your pocket. Whoops, I pulled it open. So there's your pocket. You can leave it like that. Or if you do have a little tool to punch it out, you can decide which side you want. But I choose the side that's thicker. I should have done that. But anyway, here we go. Oop. There we go, and that can be your front and back cover, okay? Very simple. How do you get the holes? Well, you can use one of these. Find your center, which will be 6, because this is a 6-inch, so you find the 3-inch, mark it. It's typical, it's not quite 6 inches. I find that with a lot of my papers. They're either over or under. So there's my center. I use a pencil. Paper punch. We all have them. Or you can use these. These paper punches, you probably can't see this black one, but it's got a little arrow there that always has an arrow. Push it in, line it up with the arrow, and down you go, baby. You have your 2 holes. Same with this one. It might be a little bit more tougher. You're fine. You can always erase that because it's 6 inches. And find your center, which will be 3. Line it up with a paper punch. Close enough, yep. And let her rip. Make sure it's pushed in. And you have your holes. And then you can use your little clips or rings. Now these are hinged rings. So when you go to look for them, remember the word hinged. You can get plenty of rings, but they're not hinged ones. So have a look. I got these at Officeworks. These were the 25 mils, and there are silver ones that are a little bit bigger. I use them on the wherever it is. Where are you? What? Seriously? Run away? Come on. You were just here a minute ago. Mr. Nobody's been in my room again. Come on. Hang on. Just a minute. This one. These are the bigger ones. Anyway, so there you go. Really simple. Hope you enjoyed that. Make different styles. So this one was double-sided paper. To make the little tabs, oh, I nearly forgot. Little tabs. You don't have a tab thingy. You don't have a cutter. That's okay. Tabs, I'll write it here. Oh, it's gone right through. Oh no, here you are. Tabs. At 2 inch by 2 inch. I'm just going to quickly cut it. You can do this with ruler, measure it 2 inch by 2 inch. You can have them a little bit smaller, but anyway, 2 inch by 2 inch. Fold it over. Squishy, squishy. Squish it down. Use your ruler. Not too hard because you might rip it. Very easy. And glue that on your pages. Go, glizzy glue. You don't have to have all the equipment to make some pretty little things. There we go. And you just have it sticking out a little bit. Just a little bit. Doesn't have to be right out because then it might look really ridiculous. Simple tab. There we go. What do you think? That's fine because it's a mini scrapbook, so you're putting things all over the place, writing. And then you can decorate your front, erase your marks off. Yep, eraser. Oops, squeezing-moi. There we go. And they are ready to decorate your front like these. That's the front decorated. Another frontage, a bit of lace, some ideas. And for these, because we already have a pocket, you can put another pocket. Is it this one? Yep. You can put another pocket just on the inside. A bit of off-cut paper. Usually the off-cut paper is a little piece of card. So when you... okay, fix that. When you do your card, you want to make sure you're not too long to hit them. And remember, you've got to come down a bit from each end because you've glued that. And there you go. And that one's in the front. There we go. I hope you enjoyed that. And have fun making one. You can use single-sided paper or double-sided paper. Hope those instructions were clear for you. And then you can put it all together. Thanks. I appreciate you all. Take care this time of year. Keep safe. Don't forget to put the thumbs up button. I really appreciate that. Okay, keep safe.